If you're a fix and flip investor, you already know this. The MLS is empty. Agents are fighting over the same 5 listings, and every deal you see online is priced for retail buyers, not investors. You don't win by chasing retail listings. You win by getting to distressed sellers before anyone else knows they exist. At Perpetual Buy and Sell, we source properties that never hit the online market. These are off-market, distressed properties from motivated sellers, people who need speed, clarity, and a professional buyer. We don't wait for deals to come to us. We hunt for them every day using a system built for high-volume investors. We pull distressed opportunities from inherited homes, vacant and abandoned homes, tired landlords, properties needing full renovation, sellers with financial pressure, low equity and upside-down situations, homes agents can't list, homes needing repairs the seller can't afford. This is where the real margins live. We don't wait for deals to come to us. We hunt for them every day using a system built for high-volume investors. We pull distressed opportunities from inherited homes, vacant and abandoned homes, tired landlords, properties needing full renovation, sellers with financial pressure, low equity and upside-down situations, homes agents can't list, homes needing repairs the seller can't afford. This is where the real margins live. You're not just buying properties, you're buying margins. Our job is to protect them. We negotiate directly with distressed sellers, we create win-win solutions, and we secure pricing that gives you room for rehab, holding, agent fees, profit. This is not wholesaling, this is curated deal flow for serious buyers. One of our investors recently closed on a property that needed roof work, plumbing updates, and cosmetic rehab. The seller couldn't afford repairs. Agents refused to list it. We negotiated directly, secured a clean contract, and delivered the property at a price that gave our buyer a handsome margin. We don't work with everyone. We work with investors who are ready to buy, know their numbers, understand distressed properties, can move quickly, value professionalism and transparency. We build relationships, not lists. If you want access to our off-market deals, the process is simple. Step 1, schedule a call. Step 2, tell us your buying criteria. Step 3, get deals tailored to your strategy. Step 4, close fast and repeat. You get consistent deal flow. You get honest numbers. You get direct access to motivated sellers. And you get a partner who understands what real investors need: speed, accuracy, and opportunity. If you're a serious cash investor and you want consistent access to real off-market deals, schedule your consultation today. Let's see if you're a fit for our investor network. Visit www.perpetualbuysell.com. Perpetual Buy and Sell. Professional, reliable, investor-focused.